Hello everybody, this is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will show you a book about the gunboat Philadelphia and the Battle of the Lake Champlain by John Bratten. The gunboat Philadelphia is the oldest intact warship currently on display in North America. After its recovery from the Lake Champlain in 1935, she was moved to the National Museum of American History. In this book you can find all the documentation and final analysis for the 64 years since she was raised. Archaeologist John Bratten details the gunboat's history, construction, armament, tools, utensils, personal items, and rigging elements. He also takes advantage of contemporary records to describe the Philadelphia's artifacts and presents for the first time an analysis of photographs taken during the 1935 recovery of the boat. This book also contains drawings from which the replica of the Philadelphia II was built in 1989-1981 at the Lake Champlain Maritime Museum, in order to provide an opportunity to evaluate how the gunboat was built and how it operated under sails and oars. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.